Sitting outside while the wind blowing. Sitting outside, listening to the wind blow. Sitting outside while the wind blowing. Sitting outside, listening to the wind blow. Sitting outside, oh. Sitting outside, listening to the wind blow. Sitting outside, listening to the wind blow. Outside, whoa. Outside, whoa. Outside, whoa. Outside, sitting outside. Listen to that wind blow all the time. Listen to the birds. Listen to the bees when they humming, buzzing. I'm outside, just chilling to myself. Goodbye, goodbye, bad bye. Oh, yo, I'm solo on that flow. Whoa, yeah. I just wanna chill to myself. I am trying to relax though. Chill to myself and relax so. Relax myself, relax my mind. I know that I want it, I gotta go get it. Intuition, yeah, I see it in the mind like a pattern. Gotta go get it with all of the time. They just taught me how I mind up, boy. You need a chill, boy. You been putting in too much grind. I never went out of my rhyme. Keep on going in that bit like a bullet. In the chamber, cock it back, let it hit. Unlimited, though, like a Chico. In the side of the game, that's a Chico. I am so hot in that bit like a Cheeto. I sent my dog at your name with Chico. He didn't get you going like Cito. They don't wanna see me, but that's a no-no. I call up, yeah, with Chico. He get you going like Cino. They don't wanna see me, that is a Dino. I'm a type of flow come through, whoa. Different company, I got my own. Different words, like a different word strategy. Don't you try to work up and against me. I cross you up like an athlete, try to go against me. I hope you fast on your feet, and please don't try to slip. It's a cautious sign out under the flow. I'm so hot up in the bit, whoa. You can get what drown on the flow. Yeah, my flow, yeah, it at the top. I'm so hot, though I'm at the top.